So hello amazing people out there. I hope you all are good. So my name is Sheikh Wasi and I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to share you a secret. Yes guys, I'm going to share you the secret of success. Most of the successful people, the impactful people, they always know this secret and they applied this secret on their life, and they achieve big things. They achieve huge results, and they achieve huge success in their life. So always you guys are excited for the secret. So yes, let's get started. So what is the secret? The secret is the law of attraction. Yes guys, the law of attraction. The law of and the most of the successful people who have achieved these things, or achieve a success in their life, they always know this thing. They always create that thing what they want in their life. So all the impactful people in the history of success, they always know that what they want, they always attract that thing to them. So what is the law of attraction? So it is a law of attraction. It is like a law, the law of, law of gravitation. Whether you know it or not, it will always work. So if you suppose if you jump from a terrace, then you are going to fall down. So there is no chance you're going to fly on the sky. So whether you know the law of gravitation or not, you are going to fall down like that. Whether you know it or you are not aware of it, this law always works. So whatever you achieve till now, whatever good or bad thing happened to you till now, that only happens through this law, that what you attract, the good thing what are happened to you, that you attract to you, and the bad thing what are happened to you, also you attract to you. And you create that thought in your mind. So basically whatever the life you lived till now, the result, the all that life is a result of your thought, what you create in your mind. So the law of attraction is, whenever you attract something, that in the reality you are going to experience that. So uh, if you attract negativity, the negative thoughts will be your reality. And if you attract positivity, good things, wealth, health, a good partner, that thing is going to be your reality. So how this law of attraction works? So the scientist says that every thoughts, whatever we create in our mind, or whatever we imagine, that has a frequency. And when we are attracting that things, it transmits frequency, and as a result of that, we attract that thought, or that thing into our lives. So if we attract good things, if we surrounded by good people, then good things will happen to us. If we attract negativity, if we attract negative thoughts, then if we attract what we didn't want, then that thing which will, whether we want or not, that thing will come to you. So uh, in many time, with many people, this law of attraction doesn't work in that manner, what they want. The reason is they did not attract what they want. Instead of that, they attract what they didn't want. Like suppose I'm having a meeting tomorrow, and I need to wake up early. So in the while I'm going to bed, I need to a thought, that I need to create a thought in my mind, that I didn't want to, I want to wake up early and attend the meeting so confidently. But instead of that, lots of people create in their a thought in their mind, like I didn't want to be late tomorrow. So because of that, they attract that negativity, they attract that that late things. So when tomorrow came, the whole night they didn't sleep well, but but when the tomorrow came, their eventually their alarm don't work. They face lot of traffic in the road. So it is work like this. What you create, what thought you create in your mind, that will be your reality. So always attract what you want. If you want a good partner, attract or create a painting, or create a imagination in your mind that you want a good partner. Don't attract those things that if I get a bad partner. Don't create that thought in your mind. Always be positive. Always create a positive thought, positive imagination in your mind, like I want a good partner, I want a good business, I want a good health. So imagine precisely, like I want that thing. The frequencies what we are transmitting to the universe, that will attract those things to you. So uh, so uh, so these are some reasons why don't why how you can attract good things what you want to you. So basically, how it works, it has a three steps. First one is ask. So ask yourself what you want. So whenever you asking these things, never be a never put a limit to you. As wild as much what you are as you can imagine that. Like if you want a good house, if you want a great business, if you want a sports car, like imagine that, and according to that, create a thought, create a imagination in your mind, create a painting in your mind that you already achieved that thing. And ask yourself, ask more, ask difficult things to you. Awaken your giant within. So ask what you want. You want good health, you want good wealth, you want a good partner, you want a good business. Whatever you want, ask yourself, imagine, create a thought in your mind. Then second step is believing. So believing is whatever you thought, whatever you create imagination in your mind in the first step, you start believing it. You start living that life. You start feeling that life. Like you if you imagine, you want a big house, you want a sports car, believing in that, like yes, I am achieved it. And feel with energy, feel that feeling in your mind, feel that feeling in your mind that I have already achieved this. What how you feel. You are living in your dream house, you are riding your dream car, you are having you are having a perfect partner, you are having a perfect business. Live that feeling. So it's like you are ordering a thing in online, so that you have a belief that it will, I have ordered that thing, it will come to me. You are relaxed now, you are thinking, yes, it will come to me one day. So that kind of thought, that kind of thinking will attract those things to you. Here I want to share one story, so that you can which will define that what we attract, what we create, or what we decide that what we want, or want in your life, that will become our reality. So this is Maurice Goodman, one of the successful businessmen of United States. So he's having a accident, one accident, and in that accident is completely is what his backbone is broke, and his hand and his legs, all the bones are broke. And guys, if backbone is broke, then it will uh, it will it will very difficult to be. So when the doctor said that we need to be need surgeries, and after the surgery we can't give you assurance that you can be work again. So what Maurice done, he creates a thought. He creates in his mind that no, I have to, and I want to be I want to be recover. And guys, he's attracting that thing, the health in his mind. He is created his thought in that mind, and he's so powerfully created that thought that no, I after some days I want to go home by walking from here. So he created that thought, and he start attracting nothing, no surgery, no medicine he has to take, and he's only taking a bed rest, and start attracting these things to him. So you don't believe it. After 2.5 months, he go to his home by walking from here. The doctor said he can't walk again, but here he again proved all these things are wrong. And he by the power of his thoughts, by the power of his commitment, he is able to overcome this serious problem. So guys, believe it and attract those things. You can attract anything, you can achieve anything in your life. That if you created a strong image or strong belief in your mind, you could attract that thing in your mind. So the third thing is what is receiving. So it is also related to this story. Receiving is after completing these 2 points, like asking for what you want and believing that it will come to you. After that, you have to receiving, like you have to live that life. You have to act like that. Like, yes, if you want a good health, then like Maurice does, he start receiving that thoughts, like I'm good now. I'm walking walking on my feet. I'm standing on my feet. I'm running. So if because of that thought, he overcome from that situation. And if you want a big house, if you want a sports car, if you want a good business, start living that dream. Start imagining that thought. Start creating a painting. Start creating a image in your mind that you have already achieved those things. And live that thoughts. So this is the secret of many of the successful people. They attract what they want in their life. So this all this point I have collected from a very powerful book, The Secret, which is written by Rhonda Byrne. Uh, so I hope you all like it. I hope it will add some values into your life. I also written a blog about this powerful book called The Secret, which is based on this law of attraction. And also I will recommend you to highly recommend you to read this book. And yes, I that will add some values into your life. And I hope this adds some values into your life. And this is Sheikh Wasi signing off for today. So see you. Thank you.